Hey Grow Campers, it's Lisa with Grow Camper, brand ambassador for Little Guy, and today I am going to show you a fun and easy salad recipe that you can do right at the campground. Now, it's right in the middle of summer and corn, sweet corn, is the freshest ever. Being a Nebraska girl, true corn husker, this is what the salad is all about. It is a corn salad. So we're going to start with some already pre-cooked sweet corn, and you cut it off the cob. Now, if you don't have sweet corn, you can also use corn out of the can, but fresh is always better. So first I'm going to cut this off. All right, corn's ready. It's going in the bowl. Kind of break these up a little bit. All right, next ingredient, mayonnaise. And I pre-diced it at home, but a orange or red pepper for color. Some Mexican blend cheese. Pepper to taste. And we mix this up really good. Look how pretty that is for the summer. Great colors, that orange, that yellow. Get that all mixed up really good. Then, when you're ready to serve it, the best part, Fritos. Just sprinkle a good handful of Fritos on there, and you got yourself a delicious summer salad. So the complete recipe is going to be in the show notes here, and I can guarantee this is a yummy salad. Easy, kids will love it. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm Lisa with Grow Camper, brand ambassador for Little Guy Trailers.